Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki kubor bam dagasngi. Menteri Rangba aga jela Conrad ke sang mau loong baka sarkar jela kan bod ryntih ki Kyndon berki rukam trekam ki bladan lupa kumjuru ki benta jong kariti sensyar constitution habaya day berki kam election ki district council. Habakran shikilak pathai kubor Menteri Rangba ula penpau bakinu kinu ki rai kan shong nongrim haki an berki Kyndon ki blatrekam habaro ki district council batru haki benta jong kariti sensyar. Ulang baka sarkar kadang bisharnya ke benta jong ke jinglong haki election berkiwi per ki jing ki biadai berkene ke benta. Ula benrap ru badan kat tu kat neki benta ki bedang haban sutu bha bar ka sarkar kadang wat jingi yathu syai bentip dikenai kaman baro kawe. Henry ula Pynskhem baka sarkar jela kadon ke jing Angnud ka Pynskhem ban pentri kam ye ki jing penbet berki rukam tri kam ki bedan kam haki election. Shu ula ong baka sarkar kandang ye beteng benya trailang bar ka sarkar India bar ru bar ka election commission kabala de ban ai jing Pynskhem halor kene ke benta. Wala om padon kita ring ni krukam trekam ki babnya andrei lo ong bakani ka bentakan salong hakapor ka babiang.
Role. We have made it very clear, and we will be basing it on the basis of the rules that is being followed on all the district councils, and we will be looking at all the constitutional provisions. But we are very clear that a separate electoral roll must come out.
Sir, any
aspect we have not checked. I mean, we'll examine that aspect that I have not seen yet. I have to understand what exactly the point is.
so there is also
Keen. As a state government, we feel very strongly that SIR should be implemented, and we are for it. And we will see when the situation arises. We are in touch with the Government of India as well as Election Commission has communicated, but we don't have the exact dates and the exact process. But we are definitely, it's something that should be done.